Hi friends, I'm Yakuta Karkhanawala. So today we are going to see the topic goto statement. Goto alters the normal sequence of the program by transferring the control to some other part of the program. That is, it is used to jump from one place to another place in a program. Let's see how to write a goto statement. So writing goto statement will be using the keyword goto, GOTO, all in small letters without space in between. Then we are going to put a label. Label can be a simple word or a number. End it with semicolon. Now, in anywhere in the program where you want to transfer your control, that at that moment, at that particular place, we are going to write down the label. Whatever label we have mentioned here, the same label has to be written in the part of the program where we want to jump. For writing label, write down the same label which we have written with the goto statement and end it with colon. Do not end with semicolon. Whenever we want to use goto, it should be in a pair. That is, first is goto label and then second is label and colon. Let's see one program related to goto statement. So I here have your main. In main, there are three printf statements. One is printf test goto, second is printf skip part, and third is printf hello. Now, after printf test goto, I mentioned here goto xyz. So goto is the keyword, xyz is my label. I've ended it with semicolon. So goto xyz, and before the printf hello statement, I mentioned the label. The label is xyz and ended with colon. In this case, the execution of the program would be first the printf statement would be executed, that is test goto would be displayed onto the screen. Then goto xyz means we are telling the compiler to move to the place where the label xyz is there. So your compiler will come to the part of label, that is this part xyz label. After the label, whatever statement is mentioned is executed. So printf hello would be displayed. It means this particular part, that is skip part, printf skip part would be skipped by a compiler. Directly after test goto, this hello would be printed onto the screen. So the final output of your program would be test goto and then hello. So you can see here that we are jumping from one place to another using the goto statement. So after test goto, we have directly jumped to the printf hello statement and we have skipped a part, skip part. So you can see here that goto is used for jumping from one place to another place. So after test goto, we have jumped to printf hello statement and printf skip part has been skipped by a compiler. This part has been omitted by a compiler. Let's see one more example related to goto statement. Again, I have three printf statements, printf test goto, printf skip part and printf hello. But this time in my program, I'm using goto twice. So first is ABC label, then my printf test goto, then goto XYZ. It means I'll go to my label XYZ. So after this label XYZ, I have printf hello statement. It means the output would be test goto and then hello would be printed onto the screen. Now you can see after hello, I have placed one more goto statement. So goto ABC means I have to move to some another place in my program where my label ABC is there. So my compiler will go to the ABC label, that is to the first line of my program, that is ABC colon, the label. After that, again it comes back and execute the next statement, that this test goto is displayed onto the screen. Then again go to XYZ and hello is printed. Again go to ABC. So this process is carried on again and again. So your output would be test goto, hello, test goto, hello, and so on. And it will continue up till how many times? Infinite times. So you can see here, sometimes by using goto, we may come across an infinite loop, which will never end your program and which will give me an unexpected output. So you should try to avoid using goto statement because of the following disadvantage. It gives a very poor readability of the program. Reading the programs makes us confused as to what step will be executed after which step. Using goto again, we may come across, suppose if we do not write statement, goto statement labeling properly, then we may come across an infinite loop. Goto is known as a poor programming practice. So we should avoid using goto statement wherever possible in our program. Instead of, if you want to have loop, you can either go for while loop, do while, or for loop.